Hey, buddy.
I help you guys.
We're just taking pictures.
Yeah, you can't be in here.
Okay.
I saw you come in.
Okay.
You guys just posted the whole way up. You can't go over here.
We saw it posted by the fence down there. We just walked in just to get some pictures.
I know, but it's posted the whole way up.
Hey guys, Jay and Mike coming to you from another abandoned location. Today we're coming to you from an abandoned racetrack called Beach Haven Raceway. This is a place that's pretty awesome. I'm really excited to share it with you guys because not only is it a racetrack, but there's also an amusement park, and this property is littered with what I consider a gold mine of items. There's abandoned vehicles, there's rides, there's buildings, there's a little bit of everything here. I do have some information and photos I'm going to share with you throughout the video to kind of give you the back history on it and to show you how it used to be when it was operational. But got a woodpecker. But we do have to be discreet though, because it's a very visible area, especially with the foliage being down. But we're here now and we're ready to check it out. So if you're ready, come along with us. That was our distraction, the woodpecker. Alright, so starting off, we have a structure right here which looks like resembles an old barn type structure. I don't know if this is part of the property or not, but inside there's some old tractors and a boat and stuff like that, so gonna leave that be. But in front of it though are some what I could call epic looking vehicles. I'm probably going to use the words epic, amazing, impressive more than I should, but I've been wanting to come here for a long time. And there's other videos on this place, but none that are going to probably show as much detail as this one. I can almost imagine this is going to be a longer video. But check this out here though. I love finding them when they're kind of just like, you know, being reclaimed by nature. They were parked here one day and never moved again. You see some of the old original color, that blue. It probably looked pretty amazing, you know, back in its prime. This is some type of utility truck here. It's got a big engine on it, and I don't know what this is before. It's like a generator almost. There's actually some plug outlets right there. Really cool though. First time ever seen a vehicle like this. But behind it we got some panel vans, a dozer, and it just keeps going and going. So really excited to share this with you guys. I'm also going to be taking a lot of photographs while I'm here too, and in case you're not aware, I do have photographs available for purchase from some of my ventures. You can find the link down below in the description, which will take you to my JPVideos Facebook page album, and from there you can follow the instructions on how to order any in case you wish to do so. But while we're here, let's get a peek inside. Okay, buddy.
I help you guys.
We're just taking pictures.
Yeah, you can't be in here.
Okay.
I saw you come in.
Okay.
You guys just posted the whole way up. You can't go over here.
We saw it posted by the fence down there. We just walked in just to get some pictures.
I know, but it's posted the whole way up.
Okay.
And you coming in from Kistner's or Peepinell and coming in this way is not okay either.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, sorry about that.
It's all right. I wasn't sure what you guys are up to. I had to run from all the way on the other side.
Wow.
But that's my dad coming up the road. He sent me out here, so he's a real hothead. So if you, when you park down here, I'd just say get out before he gets in here because he likes to call the cops. You can go straight this way out. You can go straight out to the road, or you can go out the way you can, but I'd suggest the road. But that was him at 3 o'clock. Okay. I didn't know what you guys were. I thought you were trapping.
Oh, no.
No, we're going to take pictures of it. I know,
We
but
saw this on YouTube before. And
well, and those people weren't supposed to be in here. I chased the 15 guys were together last year. Taking pictures. Nice guys.
Yeah.
It's all posted. This place, the reason it's shut down is somebody got this back there. So that's why it's having this.
The owner of the truck still owns everything here?
Yeah. He pays us to keep it. I mean, it's been like that.
Well, any reason why they're not
Almost
doing anything
40
with it? Like, they're just
They
letting
want to
it
sell it.
Yeah.
They want to sell it. You can go straight out this way. Try to do it. If you could have got a hold of us ahead of time, maybe.
You didn't even know who to contact, honestly.
I know. And
What you doing?
taking
pictures, man. Yeah, we didn't mean to cause any trouble.
Yeah,
As I said, and they're not.
it's just
turn around.
people put shit on the internet.
That's
and
where
we
they
get
That's how I
people,
found out about it.
and we get people here all the time, and it's like ridiculous. You know, I've been robbed before. You know how it is.
Yeah, no, I understand.
It's America.
You don't know who to trust.
Yeah.
You don't know what
Well, you
Exactly.
don't. And that's what I said. We just ran into those
So
people
keep
here.
that in mind and put that in there that the owners aren't very pleasant.
Yeah, and we've heard that.
I'd rather
I'd
have that put in there than.
Well, I saw you down there, and I thought that was. I thought you were
It's
trapping.
just sold and
I thought it was like a
rotten
conibear
place.
trap. And I was
You know,
like, I don't know. But I was way
we
out.
hunt here.
And I saw your white sweatshirt.
Thank you.
So I appreciate you guys. For
I wouldn't invade.
Usually
on
we
your
get a hard
property.
time.
All right, I understand.
But like
You have
I
kids,
told
you
him,
wouldn't want
it
me
was
around
like
in the woods, wandering around behind your house, and you get what I'm
I
saying?
agree completely.
2 years ago, I told him that I found those guys. There's like 15 of them from Benton. They posted something on Facebook. Somehow my brother-in-law, I don't have Facebook. My brother-in-law saw it, and I came over, and sure enough, there they were. There's a whole
There's people here
pile
all
of
the
them.
time,
walking
drives
around.
me crazy.
They were real nice. I mean, they left as soon as I told them to, but
Yeah.
Like
I
said,
get
I've
the
been
interest in it,
robbed before, and I don't wanna
but
be
we
robbed
just have
again.
to.
No, I understand that.
You don't know what people do. There's a lot of drugs.
Yeah, we come across a lot of crazy people when we
Exactly.
explore, you know. So.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. Thanks for your
I've met a
cooperation,
couple.
though.
Thanks.
All right, guys. So as you could tell, this is a very short video, and that's because we were basically caught here. You know, it wasn't the owner, but the people that approached us were actually hired by the owner to watch after the property, and we came here knowing this, that people are very vigilant of people coming here, especially strangers and people that aren't recognizable. And lo and behold, we're here 15 minutes and we got approached. Thankfully, the gentleman that came to us was very polite and cooperative, and the person we just spoken to now was his father, who's more of a hothead, but thankfully his son, you know, let him understand our intentions of being here. We didn't get in trouble. We were just asked to politely leave, which we cooperated, and to pass along the message that don't come here unless you have permission. I guess they do grant permission if you contact the right, you know, the right people. Obviously, we didn't know who that was because the owner, I guess, doesn't want to make it very well public because there's a lot of items on here on the property that are of value, and they said they've encountered theft before and vandalism, and the last thing I want to do is promote that. So unfortunately, we do have to wrap it up here. I'll let Mike share his thoughts if he wants to.
Well, it was a nice truck. That was about it. Yeah, it was in a. We didn't get too far, so. But yeah, it was on a. It would have been nice. There's some nice old trucks down there, but the rest is unknown.
Yeah, and this is unfortunately the risk that you take with exploring and going on adventures, that, you know, it doesn't always work out, and you do come across failures and mishaps. Thankfully, this time I learned from my mistakes in the past. I kept the camera rolling, You guys are able to hear the audio as to what took place. You know, I even asked politely if I could fly my drone around, which they declined because it's just basically promoting what's here and drawing more attention to it. So I'm going to respect their wishes, and hopefully you enjoyed what little bit of this video we did make. There is though abandoned, I guess you want to call it abandoned, but no longer used amusement park rides, a train, a miniature train that took you around, a roller coaster, and other stuff, and obviously the cool vehicles and everything else. So it would have been a real gem of a location, but it just didn't happen that way. So without me rambling anymore, if you did enjoy today's adventure, please give it a thumbs up. Did you snap any photos?
I snapped the truck and the barn.
Okay. I didn't snap any photos at all, so I'll probably share those in this video. Any comments or questions, obviously leave them down below.
I'm not in jail.
Yeah, we live to explore another day. So with that said, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Mike has a channel, Good Day for Decay. You'll find that down below in the description. And lastly, just want to say thanks for watching, and like always, we'll see you in the next video.